Oh, you want to jump on the bed? Okay, Nancy. Come on, Rosie. Wait, where should I put my iPod? I don't know. Let's see. Here? Nah, that's too obvious. Fridge? Let's see. No, you can see it through the glass. Oh, I know. Cabinet. Right here. Alright, let's jump on the bed. Woo, woo. Woo. Oh man, that was fun. Sure was. Let's go see how the boys are doing. What in the world? I look jazzy. I look even jazzier. Jazz. Jazz. What the? Hey girls. Hey guys. How are the babies doing? Vroom vroom. Oopsie. Vroom vroom. I like milk.